Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about whether you should participate in Etsy sales events or not. And maybe. Okay, but the fact is that if you do sales, I don't really do sales in my shop, so I don't participate in the events. But if you do sales, then Etsy promoting a sale is not a bad thing and you might want to participate in the event just to see what happens. So what happens when Etsy does an event? They will send out marketing emails to their customers who are on their email list. We can't email customers because when someone signs up on Etsy to get emails, they're signing up to get them from Etsy, not from us. If they sign up for our individual email list, that's fine. But in general, you can't send emails to Etsy customers without having them on your list or getting their permission. So Etsy does have a massive email list, I'm sure. And when they do a sale event, they promote it. So they're going to send emails out to the list. They're going to run ads. They're going to do TV ads. They're going to do whatever they need to do to get people to come to the site. So it probably is a good idea if you do sales to go ahead and participate. Now, when I'm saying participating in Etsy sales, you usually have to follow whatever parameters they put up. And I know that during the last selling season for the holidays, they had a perpetual sale. It was like one sale after the other, and it was a ridiculous percentages off. It was really high for certain countries. So depending on how high it is, you need to take that into account too, because if they're saying in order to participate in the sale, you need to do 40% off and it has to be for 2 weeks, that's that might not work for you. That wouldn't work for me. So take the parameters into account too, because if what they're asking you to do doesn't make any sense, then don't do it. But if it's just a regular kind of, quote unquote, regular sale that makes sense to you percentage wise to take that off your listings and for how long they're asking, go ahead and set it up the way that they tell you to. And then you'll be included in that sale filter. When people come to Etsy, that's one of the top filters. It's like usually free shipping and sale is up at the top somewhere. So if they have on sale or if they have a page for Etsy sale that's going on right now, you will be included in those search results. So it's really up to you whether you want to, but it's basically taking advantage of the marketing traffic that Etsy is going to be bringing to the site during that sale. But you do have to set it up how they tell you. You can't just make your own sale and expect to be included in that filter because that's not how it works. So leave me any questions about that and I will talk to you later.